Now I'm sure you all heard of loaded fries. This is my version. Quick, easy, cheesy, saucy, spicy and delicious. Comfort food, amazing anytime. So give it a try. And if you're new, why don't you subscribe for more easy recipes every week? And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Now enough of that, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the ingredients that you will need for the chicken is 400 grams of chicken, and I've cut that into small pieces. We've got 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. The spices are half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. For the salsa, 4 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, half a red and green pepper, couple of fresh tomatoes, a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, juice from 1 lime, 1 red onion, few garlic cloves, 1 red chili, and some mint. For the sour cream and mayonnaise sauce, of course we've got about 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, few cloves of garlic, some dried dill and some fresh parsley. And for our chips, I'm going to use 2 medium potatoes. And for the garnishing, I've got some cheese, some barbecue sauce, few jalapeños sliced, and I'm going to slice up some spring onions. So in our preheated pan, we're going to add in the oil. We're just going to heat that for a little while. Then we're going to add in the chicken pieces, the ginger and garlic paste, the spices, black pepper and salt. And then we're just going to give that a stir. Just mix in all the spices. And then what we're going to do, we'll cover this and cook this until the chicken is nice and it's cooked through on medium heat. I will check this to make sure that it doesn't stick, and I will give that a stir as well. Okay, so while the chicken is happening, we're just going to prepare our salsa, and it's very easy. I'm just going to slice this in half, because what we're going to do is we're just going to blitz it all in our processor here. So just roughly chop those. And then just going to pop it all in there. And the tomatoes as well. So just throw them in. And the red onion as well, so just slice that and just roughly chop this. In it goes. And then the chili as well, just slice this up. And then some mint. We're just going to peel the garlic, just give that a rinse as well. In that goes. And then what we're going to also do is add in the chopped tomatoes, the sugar as well. Just sprinkle that in. The cumin as well. And juice of a lime as well. And we're going to blitz that all up. Okay, so it will look like this. And then what you can also do is just add some black pepper on top. And then some salt as well if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to. And then I'm just going to take it out in a bowl and leave that aside. We're just going to check on the chicken. Yeah, that's cooking nicely. It's almost done. Just a little bit of water left in there. So we're just going to wait till the water's all burnt. So it'll probably just be about 2 minutes. So just cover that. And for the sour cream and mayo sauce, again, very easy. Just get a bowl Adding the sour cream. The mayonnaise. Basically, we're just going to throw everything in there. The dill. Black pepper. Salt to taste. And we're going to chop up some garlic to little pieces. Just roughly chop them into small pieces. It's up to you. You can add 1 or 2 cloves, just depending on how much you're using. And then just chop up some parsley. And just sprinkle that on top. And give it a mix. And there you go, that's now done as well. So now what we're going to do is just going to keep these aside. So as easy as that, that's now ready. So we've got the toppings all ready. We're going to fry our chips, and then I'm going to show you how to layer it. Okay, so I've got an oven-proof dish, and I've just lined it with some grease-proof paper. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to put the chips at the bottom. And then we're going to take our chicken and just sprinkle it all over. And then we're just going to take our salsa and we're just going to put it over that. You can just spread it out all over. Now you can add more or less depending on how you like it. Then I'm going to take some barbecue sauce and we're just going to drizzle some over. Sprinkle some cheese, and you can be generous with this. Just add a bit more. You want it nice and cheesy. Throw over some jalapeños and some spring onions. And then what we're going to do is, I've just preheated the oven. I'm going to pop it in the oven until the cheese is nicely melted, and I've set the heat for about 180 degrees. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comments below, or you can even tag me in a picture. If you've made this before, I would love to hear what you did different. If you enjoy this, please do give me a thumbs up, and to see more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.